the law report, Information Technology and Communication Cases, ITCC, is a revolutionary and cutting-edge law report that will report case law on the sunshine sectors of global and Indian economy, which have the maximum potential to contribute to economic growth, revenue generation, and employment. As the name of the law report itself suggests, this is an area of law where there is a high degree of convergence in global terms, which is what we've been talking about, and a great deal of cross-fertilization of law. A single point reference source for case law on the sunshine sectors, including IT, BPO, KPO, telecommunication and broadcasting industries, covering issues related to cyber forensics, cyber crimes, privacy issues in the cyber world, consumer protection issues, regulatory issues, internet service provider issues, etc. That is going to be the scope of this. So thank you very much for joining us, and please, by opening and I think we, sir, please, sir. Sealed, but they can be opened.
We want it to be fully unveiled.
Absolutely.
Like immediately? Right now?
At the speed of light, as somebody was saying.
Thank you. Thank you for having us.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Continuing on this technology journey, we now want to show you the new EBC reader. This is going to work on the iPad.
Welcome to the EBC Reader demonstration. EBC is proud to announce the launch of India's first ebook reader application for law books. The EBC Reader application can be downloaded to the iPad from the Apple App Store. Clicking on the application will take you to the library, where you can see all the books downloaded by you. Selecting the book you want to read takes you to the cover page. Use the ebook like you would use a printed book. Flip through the pages with ease using our unique page curl technology. Alternatively, you can use the scroll bar at the bottom of the screen to scroll through the book. The EBC Reader is designed to provide ease of access. All our ebooks include hyperlinks and crosslinks which make moving around the book very quick. Go to the table of contents and tap on any chapter to get linked directly to the chapter. Tap on that chapter and you will get linked back to the table of contents again. You can also use the roll down table of contents to access any chapter or go to the index. If there is a particular case you want to read, go to the table of cases and tap on the page number next to the case. Browse to the subject index to search any topic. Simply tap on the page number next to the topic to get directly linked to the selected page. The EBC Reader provides easy navigation throughout the book. You can click on the citation number to move to its footnote. Tap on the footnote again to move back to the page you were reading. Our ebooks come with a unique feature. The page numbers of the print book are included in our ebooks. This helps you to turn to a specific page in a classroom or use it to cite a particular page easily. The search tool helps you quickly find words and phrases anywhere in the ebook. The EBC reader is designed to improve readability. Customize the display screen according to your individual preference. Pull and drag your finger across the scroll bar to increase or decrease the font size. Similarly, you can customize the brightness of your screen or change the mode of reading to day, night or sepia. Ebooks are a great tool for research. Personalize your ebook using the handy toolbar at the bottom of the screen to highlight, underline or make notes. Underline with the pencil, mark the words and click on pencil. Pull and drag your finger over the words or sentences to be highlighted. Similarly, you can use the pen or the marker to underline or highlight the selected text. If you want to remove the underline part or undo the highlight, simply click on eraser to do so. The EBC reader introduces a unique notes feature which is integrated with the text page. To make notes, select the words or sentences. Copy to notebook will appear on the screen. Tap on copy to notebook to move the selected text to your notes. You can access these notes by clicking on the notes icon at the base of the screen. Click on the second option from the left on your home screen to access all your notes collectively. You can add or edit notes easily. The EBC reader allows you to take a printout or take it to Evernote with a simple click of the button. You can use the sharing feature to share your notes through email or on Facebook or Twitter. The EBC reader enables you to access information then and there. You do not have to go to the bookstore or wait for delivery of the books. Simply purchase the ebook version of the book from the EBC web store and have instant access to the book. Tap on the third icon from the left on the home screen to see the books you have purchased from EBC web store and not yet downloaded. Avail discounts and benefits by simply typing in your coupon code. Tap on the search icon to access any book in your library of books or look up words on Google or Wikipedia. We hope that you have found this demonstration useful. Thank you.
The EBC reader was specifically created for law books. So, there are certain things which you will not find in any other reader. For example, how to jump from case law to the text and things like that. We're also now going to give you a short demo of the new features that we've added to our SEC Online web edition, which is the 2014 edition of SEC Online. So I request Sumit to. Sumit is now being referred to as editor SEC Online.
Leave your cards and details with the reception desk. We will send you an email with a coupon code whereby you can activate the Practical Lawyer digital subscription on your EBC reader once you downloaded the application. So please leave your details with the reception desk and they will get back to you with a coupon code.
I'm just going to run through just a very couple of searches just to give you what the new interface looks like, and in terms of the breadth, it's not really won't be able to go into the depth at this moment. So I just searched for technology, and since this projector only projects at 107, so normally it's a 3-panel display, but here it goes into mobile mode and gets into 2. This is what the search results across databases look like. So you've got the digest notes from the Supreme Court of India, all the high courts, the foreign cases. So here we've got UK from 1865. Then we look at all the judgments. Again, the Supreme Court, all the 24 high courts, some from the district court. Then in terms of the foreign jurisdictions that we cover, so which are all these, UK, US, Canada, African countries, and South Asia. Then we've got the tribunals and commissions, so all of them. The acts, so wherever the search term is found, so it will pick up those sections from the acts and similarly from the state acts, also from the rules and regulations, and from all the notifications, circulars, instructions, articles from various journals. We've also got the book indices. So if the search term is available in the index of a particular book, it comes up. So the word technology is there in a book on cybercrime. And then of course the treaties and conventions, which has all India's treaties, so all the bits and the DTAs and all that's available. Reports of commissions and the constituent assembly debates. What I do is I narrow this down. I pick my search results again and search for telecom star. So from 19,000 search results, I'm now down to about 1,200. And what may be interesting to look at, when I search for technology with telecommunication, is say the Internet Banking in India guidelines or the master circular relating to mobile banking transactions in India. So other than of course all the case law, information from all notifications and circulars also is available, and that's what comes up. I'll do one more search. And now I search parallel import star as a phrase. And it brings up all the important documents relating to parallel imports from the entire world, or at least all the databases that we have. So you've got from UK, where they're talking of parallel importation. And if I were to look at probably the most significant US case on that, I can just open this up. And this was the case which now allows parallel imports of the similar goods produced in other countries into the United States, completely changing the way at least the publishing industry is working, and also many other industries are working. And of course, there are other methods by which you can search for your documents. You can find by citation, if you have the name, the case index, or by the topic set. And statute guide, if you really want to see, I can do just one more search. I can, of course, read the text of the section, and if I were to look at this, what it does also simultaneously is that all the case law with reference to section 11 would come up automatically there. So if I want it, all I need to do is click on the results and I get all the documents straight up. So these are a few things, new things that we've done. A new interface, a lot more data, a lot more jurisdictions that we've had.
One more thing that you can,
Sure.
This is a referencing button here.
Yeah.
So if you ever click, wherever you may be,
in any case law or in any statute, if you click on the referencing button, then it will take you to any other place where this has been referenced. So you get it in, and then again it puts it into that structure where you can select, okay, I want a US view or an Indian view or a particular High Court view on this. So you can actually think in whichever way you want, but go around the database in any way. So it's very flexible in that.
Is this synced through the cloud with my EBC reader? So my notes on this, will I see on the EBC reader?
No, it's not with the EBC reader just now, but this will, the note-taking ability is going to be built into this very soon. That's coming up.
And will we be sort of constrained to sort of, recreate our searches? What is your thing to look at?
Save searches.
Yeah,
Oh,
past
just-
searches in history.
Okay, so I'll
The
just go-
searches in history are available right here.
So
See, this
select
is
previous
previous searches are right. Your own previous searches will be available to you.
Right. But I think maybe what may be useful is there will be some area of law that I will always be going to. Like Shreyas will only go to arbitration.
So you
Yeah.
you can also pre-select databases.
Yeah, so then you
So you
just
can
go
pre-select
here.
databases. So instead of everything coming up, so then you will be able to just go to your own pre-selected area. So that's through preferences. You can say, these are my pre-selected areas. I only want to look at this. So we thought of most things, but we are always open to suggestions.
We always move towards perfection.
Perfection is not possible. Excellence
We always
is.
keep moving towards perfection. We are never
I'm very
perfect.
glad to see that it is becoming better and better on a daily basis. I use almost every week.
Thank you so much.
And I'm really enjoying it. And it makes life far more easier.
The integration between the EBC reader and the web edition would be all primary resources which are referenced in any book which you would get on the EBC reader. All you have to do is click on the citation or click on the case citation and it will open up. So if you already have an account for the web edition, you simply pick up the primary material. So secondary material, so all the books on the EBC reader, and then from there referencing to all primary materials such as case law, statute law, all linked over there, and I just at one touch of a button on that window.
How do we get a sense of overall cases?
Overall cases, yes, we have the structure that we talked about, the topic guide. Will give you an overall overview by topic, and by jurisdiction, it always comes up on the left.
Is it a report or intermodal?
We had that overruling.
Oh, that also is available through the referencing button. You'll get overruling.
The High Court model,
and everything.
intermodal.
Do you have APIs the law firm has to integrate this with the internal apps?
Not at the moment, but we are working.
You're working.
We will have.
What is this?
API to integrate with internal
API
apps?
integration, so you can pull the data yourself.
Are you going to open it up?
We'll build the API, we'll build the other applications also maybe. These are some things that we don't know how or when it's going to happen, but yes, we've sort of considered, yes.
A lot of investment.
Sorry?
The investment is also required.
Yeah, no, this one costs 50
No,
rupees a
not
day.
this. I'm saying to do new things. A lot of investment is required to do new, interlinking with apps and all that.
We intentionally, like what we were talking about, intentionally kept the subscription very low so we get the volumes. We basically want more and more people to use this, as many people. Because if you build something and it gets used, and thereby if the legal delivery system can be sort of helped in any way. Thank you so much.
Thank you.